Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to prepare soft chapatis as well as layered chapatis. Some are very afraid of preparing these chapatis because either they don't know how to prepare soft ones or else layered ones. But this is very simple if you follow the simple tips and tricks I tell you. So follow the video till the end and you'll get an amazing result if you follow this. And by the way, these chapatis, my grandmother used to prepare these and she's very famous at preparing layered chapatis, and my mother learned from her and I learned from my mother. So let us see how to prepare. Take a bowl and add half a kg of atta or else wheat flour. Here I have taken half a kg and added salt according to the taste and removed a little bit, 1 cup of atta from the bowl, and I started adding water. Now to prepare to soft dough, all you need is to add water more in the beginning. So I told you to take a cup of wheat flour and keep it aside. So now you need to add that little by little and then you need to knead it thoroughly. If you add more water and then later after kneading it thoroughly, if you feel that you need to add a little more atta, add that atta or wheat flour which I have taken in a cup beforehand, add it and then knead it thoroughly. This is the tip to make soft dough for chapatis. If you add little water little by little and then start kneading it, what happens is the wheat flour absorbs all the water and then it becomes hard. So that is the reason why add more water before kneading it and then add little by little the left out or taken out wheat flour and then mix it thoroughly and you will get a soft dough of wheat flour. Now after kneading it thoroughly, it takes at least 15 minutes. Now take small size of chapati balls, like it should be in a large size of tomato or else medium size of guava. So now see, you need to prepare into smooth balls and then dip it in the wheat flour and dust it nicely and put it aside. If you prepare these chapati balls and put aside, what happens is they'll get sticky. That is the reason why dip it in the wheat flour and then prepare all the chapati balls and then put it aside. Now take this rolling pin and start rolling it nicely. All you need to do is equally you need to press it gently, that is one time horizontal and one time vertical, one time horizontal and one time vertical. So here I have added 1 teaspoon of oil and I have spread it nicely. If you like to have ghee, you can do it. Whenever I prepare it, I add ghee for my kids, so it's your choice. Now spread it nicely and fold it into half like this and then again from the top and from the bottom like this. Now by doing this, see, you can see these layers nicely. So again, after preparing this into a square shape, you need to dip it in the wheat flour and then put it aside. Now repeat the same process for the entire chapati balls you have prepared earlier, and see nicely my square chapatis dough has been prepared with the layers and all. Now again repeat the same process, dust it nicely with some wheat flour and then roll it nicely, one time horizontal and one time vertical. By doing so, you will equally spread the edges nicely and it will come into a nice square shape. Now see, you need to see that the edges should not be very thick or else very thin. And also for some, when they press it, what they do is the edges, they'll become so thick that the dough in the edges doesn't cook nicely when they prepare chapati. But now see, this chapati is thick, yet all the edges are equally spread nicely. So you need to be very careful while preparing this. So later prepare all those square chapatis, spread it, you need to gently spread it nicely with the rolling pin and then heat the tawa, add 1 teaspoon of oil and then spread it nicely like this. Now the bottom of the chapati is coated nicely with oil. Now the top also you add another 1 teaspoon of oil and then spread it nicely with your spatula like this. Now you need to put the flame on high only. For chapatis, you need to cook the chapatis on high flame. If you cook it on low flame, your chapatis will turn into papads. So that is a secret. You should be very careful. You should be near the stove and you need to cook it on high flame. So you can see that they are becoming puffier. You can observe it nicely, right? So this is the one gesture that your chapatis are becoming or coming into soft layered chapatis. This is one nice gesture. So I'm showing you again. See, repeat the same process with the remaining chapatis also. Spread nicely at the bottom and then on the top, and then on high flame only you need to cook it nicely, the chapatis. So this is the secret, that you will get nice layered chapatis with the soft dough, as I have told you earlier. Instead of oil, you can add butter, or else you can add ghee, and then you can nicely prepare these soft layered chapatis. This is it. This is very simple and easy also. You can prepare it nicely. You can serve these chapatis with any curry of your choice. All you needed to do is just follow the simple tips and tricks. You can prepare any chapatis with this easy recipe. So here, see, after 1 hour, or after you cook it and leave it for 2-3 hours, and then even though you eat it, these chapatis will be soft and layered only. For some, when they prepare it, they'll become saggy and they'll become rubbery like. But for, if you follow these simple tips and tricks, you can have soft layered chapatis like as I have shown here. So why late? If I can do, you can also do it. So try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned to you. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you liked our channel, please subscribe for more interesting recipes. So if you want to have some other recipes, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll surely come out with those new recipes. Thank you so much.